Today's episode is how to set up a Clonezilla USB flash drive. First, we are going to go and open up a web browser. I already have the web address already punched in. We just go to clonezilla.org/downloads. Or it's on the left-hand side. And we're going to look at the two downloads. There's a stable version and the alternative stable. The stable version is running Debian based and the alternative is running Ubuntu based. If you read on the hints, if one image does not work, try the other one. So I downloaded the stable version. I'll go ahead and minimize my browser. Here's my ISO file that I just downloaded. I'll go ahead and open up Rufus. Before starting up Rufus, make sure your USB drive is connected to your PC. And here is your device, which is your USB flash drive. We leave this alone. We click on select. We click on our ISO image that we just downloaded. I like to keep the MBR and the BIOS UEFI alone, FAT32. Now we click on start. We just pretty much click on the defaults and just let it run. This should take a few minutes depending on how big your image file is. Once it is done, you just click close and you're ready to use your USB flash drive. Just boot it up on any computer and you're off to the races. And that concludes our video. Thank you so much.